You remind me of my dream. Something like my mouth. I want more. Girl, you taste like my car. Something like my favorite car. I wanna spin. You remind me of my dream. Something like my mouth. I want more. Girl, you taste like my car.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Mikyra Johnesa. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I like to do my beauty maintenance at home. These are things that I do to help keep myself together, to help keep myself looking good, smelling good, and feeling good. Make sure you subscribe because you will love me. You gotta stay tuned for all the videos I'm about to post. I'm gonna take my hair and put it up so when I sew my hair, the actual hair won't be getting sewn onto the braid. I started sewing my wig onto my head years ago. I used to do it because I got tired of fixing my lace. Like, I just want to wake up not having to worry about spraying the lace or laying the lace or gluing the lace. No lace. So I like to sew it up under my braid. Sewing the wig on my head also saved me time for having to get up to do my hair because guess what? It's already on. Instead of buying new hair to do myself a sew-in, I just choose one of my old wigs that I don't care nothing about the lace no more. And then I sew it up under my braid to make it look like a sew-in. Sometimes when you saving and you on a budget, you gotta use what you got, boo, and just make it work. You can see this is the finished look and it's secure. It's not going anywhere. I can either wear it like this, so I can put a headband on, put it in a ponytail, just do whatever I want to do with it, ramble on and on, because like I said, we still got a whole bunch of stuff to do. So let's get into it. For years I have been using this Nair body hair remover and it haven't given me any problems. I use this on my private area. I use this under my arms. I use this everywhere, okay? And it has never irritated me or anything. I still got like some hair under my arms that need to come off. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit in my hands. I'm running low, y'all. I really do need to go hygiene shopping. I barely got some products left. Like, I'm on my last foot trip. Spread that on evenly. Just like that. Hair on my arm is not really that thick, so I don't need to leave it on 5 to 6. I'm gonna let it stay on for like 3 minutes. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Finna set my timer. Siri, set me a 3-minute timer, please.
3 minutes starting now.
There is the timer. Wipe it off. Just like that. Look at that. To wash my face and clean my skin, I've been using this vitamin C cleanser that I got from the dollar store. If you haven't already, make sure you go check out my Dollar Tree skincare short that I posted not too long ago, so you can see everything that I've been using that has been brightening my dark spots and stuff. It's gentle on my skin and it's fragrance free, and that's a plus for me. I always buy this over and over again. Now let's get into my shower routine. First, I like to go in with this Equate Feminine Wash. I love this because it's scent free and it gets the job done. Next, I go in with a bar soap. This one here is the Almond Pure Castile soap. I got this from Dollar Tree. When I say it's tea, okay? It gets my body squeaky clean and I actually feel like I'm washing all the nastiness off of me. This is the body scrub that I've been using. It's the Tahitian Vanilla. I don't know what this brand called, but you can find it at Walmart. It's probably like $4 or $5, but it smells so good. I love a good body scrub that's thick because I feel like you can actually feel the extracts working. If your scrub isn't rough, it's not doing enough. Okay, remember that. You need smooth skin. Next is my body wash. This is the Brazilian Mist Shower Gel by Power Stick. It's another Dollar Tree brand. And for $1.25, you can't beat it because it smells good. I'm out of the shower and ready to get into my body care. I'm the type of girl that like all my smells to coordinate. In the shower, I use my Brazilian Mist. I had the body spray, but I'm currently out. These match my body wash, so I'm gonna go in with these. For my body butter, it's the Brazilian soap, and it smells so good. That's what this look like, super creamy. For my body spray of the day, I'm going in with Vanilla Bean by Bath and Body Works. It's always one of my go-tos. The brand is Love My Health. They're 5D LED face mask. I'm either gonna do a blue or a red, but I want to do the red so it can like have my skin looking more glowy. It comes with this adjustable band. You just put it on like this and adjust the straps. It turns on the side. It's already on red because I do use this one often. It also comes with this remote where you can adjust the time in the settings, and I'm gonna do for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is up. I really think you can see it like just with one use.
Now let me show you how I do my lashes. The brand is called Poppy and Ivy. I think I got these from the beauty supply store. I would rather pay $5-6 for some clusters, put them on myself, than spending $100+ to let somebody else do them. When I do my clusters, they usually stay on for about 2 weeks, unless I start sleeping crazy and then they start coming off.
The lashes are done. They took your girl from cute to bad, okay? Period. The last thing I'm about to do in today's vlog is my skincare. Girl finna finish getting her face right.